My name is Jason Munoz with New Hope Housing, and I'm the director at the Eleanor Kennedy Shelter. And I'm here today because people often ask me about how we're handling COVID-19 at the shelter, and what I tell them is that we are first and foremost following closely the CDC's guidelines. So what this basically means for us is anybody who comes to our shelter, you're going to get your temperature taken as soon as you come to our building. Along with that, we have social distancing markers throughout the facility. Staff are required to wear masks at all times when they're at work or when they're in the building, and we encourage guests to wear their masks as much as possible. And they've been really good about accepting that redirection and wearing their masks when they're supposed to. With that all said, we did have a positive case come to our shelter, and our response to that was prompt and immediate. I have contacted my executive director and the health department as soon as I learned of the positive case. And from there, the health department took lead. And this was great because they made it very easy for me. They made it easy for me to know what the steps are so that I could make sure that the staff and the guests knew what the steps would be and how we were going to make sure that everybody was safe. We had a few individuals go into isolation. The health department stayed in contact with those individuals, and I'm happy to say that those individuals have been able to come back to work. We did not have any other positive cases. We encouraged folks to pay attention to their symptoms and be tested if they felt they needed to. But with everybody back to work, we're really happy about how we handled this situation. I want to send a big thank you to, of course, the New Hope Housing team, the health department for being awesome and amazing and leading us through this very challenging time, and of course all of our guests who definitely handled this situation in the most appreciated way. So thank you to everybody for all your work and effort. Be well and be safe.